A lot of people have used ChatGPT to make money in the digital space. I use ChatGPT to create book content for my Amazon Kindle businesses. I use ChatGPT to develop CVs and many other many other academic content and writing that I do. However, there is a limitation to ChatGPT. ChatGPT is very much mechanical, and oftentimes there are certain devices or tools that I use to flag ChatGPT. I have a lot of friends that work in companies and multinational companies as human resource managers, and they will tell you oftentimes repeatedly that the reason why I did not give this and this and this and this and this job is because the person used ChatGPT to create his or her CV. Now, the question is, am I asking you to stop using ChatGPT? Absolutely no. I am only saying that there is actually a better way. However, there is a way you can actually go about using ChatGPT where you are going to use ChatGPT and get the best result without getting flagged as someone who used ChatGPT or an AI to create whatever content you are required to create. Now, let me give you an instance. Now, in this video, and I'm going to create something. I'm going to be very explicit and show you how that works. In this video, this is what you want to do. Come here and just write on ChatGPT, give me a brief, probably give me a brief CV on marketing, right? And then you click on search. ChatGPT, like it always does, is going to create a CV for you where it's going to clearly develop something for you that looks like a proper CV that you should use to apply for a job. Right now, once it is done creating this CV, what many people fail to do is actually take this CV and actually proofread it and make sure that it is not AI detectable. Some people just carry it and just post it on whatever platform they want, and then that's about it. They really do not proofread it or whatever. They just carry it and then they post it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this, right? And you can see even the ChatGPT, feel free to customize this template with your own information and experience. All right, and I'm going to come on this website called ChatGPT Zero. Now, what ChatGPT Zero does is, like it says, more than an AI detector, preserve what's human. It checks for anything you post here if it is actually ChatGPT created or AI generated. So we're just going to paste whatever we have created here and click on check origin. Now, when you click on check origin for this content that we just created, you're going to give it some time. You can see it says 100% probability AI generated. Now you can see everything here just got flagged as 100% probability and that it's AI generated. All right. Now this is the question. This is the challenge that a lot of people have. They create content, they create books for Amazon Kindle, and they really do not proofread it or probably customize it in such a way that it's not detected. And many companies would just take your CV, place it on an AI like the ChatGPT Zero to be sure that it's AI generated, and once they see that it is 100% AI generated, they just trash it. They're not going to look into it. Now, what do? What you're going to do is to come on this website called hix.ai. You can start for free. So I'm just going to click on start for free. All right. And what this website does for you is that it helps you make your content human. Like you can see, you can either choose to register for the the basic, which is $7.99 per month, the AI writer, the unlimited, which is $39.99, and then of course that of $1,000 and all that, of course, is 10,000 naira in Nigerian naira. All right, but that's not, we don't want to do all of that. We want to use it for free because you can actually use it for free. So what I want to do is use this AI for free. So I'm just going to come here and click on try for free, and then we give it time to load a little bit. Now I'm going to continue as with Google using my email because it will require you to actually register so you can actually continue using it. I'm just going to continue using my email address, sign up using my Google account. Of course, like I said, you will need to register because they want to be able to send you, email. They want to be able to send you newsletters and all that stuff. All right, so they're asking select your role. I'm just going to click on brand strategy, so they'll just let me go and use this for what I want to do. Solo entrepreneur, go. on Google Submit, and we're done. So I'm just going to click on make your AI generated text undetectable and bypass AI detector. That's what we want to do. All right, so what we want to do is we want to paste what we've copied here. All right, click on allow. So we just pasted what we copied here. It says that you cannot do more than 125 words, which means we just exceeded what we want to do. So I'm just going to copy it from here and delete. So that's why I told you could use the free version, but it's going to limit you if you're someone who does a lot of writing. So now I'm going to come here and click on humanize. Once I click on humanize, it's going to go through this text and try to make it as humanly as possible, right? It's going to make this as humanly as possible. Now you can say it says it just recreated this, so I'm just going to copy what was recreated, and then I'm going to come back to ChatGPT 0. Remember, ChatGPT 0 was what we used earlier, right? I'm just going to come here and click on Ctrl A, delete all of this, and paste this new one we have, and then I'm going to click on scan. Remember, the other one was 100% AI generated. You can see currently it says it is 82% human and then 18% AI generated. What this means is that we've been able to successfully humanize our text. This way, even if you're creating a CV or writing a book on Amazon Kindle, definitely there's going to be some portion of your text that's going to look like AI, because of course not every whatever it is that you write, at least some portion of it must have been on the internet already. But if you want 100%, you can just copy this post again. All right, copy it again, and then come back to your your hix.com, and then you can still paste this new one that you just copied, paste it again. Ctrl A, Ctrl V. You can just paste whatever it is that is here again. Let me Ctrl A this, copy it, paste it again here, and also humanize it again. But I mean, we don't need to do that, right? We are good to go. All right, guys. So this is how you bypass the AI checks, using the AI detector checks when you use ChatGPT or ChatGPT 4 to create any content of your choice. If you feel like I gave you value for your time, please do very well to like this video, all right, and share so that more people will get to see it. And if this is your first time on this channel, like and subscribe. Thank you.